In fact, one of the greatest songs of gospel music would come from this era. Oh, Happy Day.
This show is amazing. I think it's the best thing since dirt. So you know that's good. But I enjoyed it so much. Every single song, I knew every word.
The sound of gospel music was brought to us in an amazing, amazing way. The cast, the production crew.
This is my third time seeing this show, and I have one word: excellent.
I love the show. It inspired me to dance and sing on my own.
Yes, this was a very, very, very inspirational show. It's more than a show. It's more of an education.
I just saw the show for the first time, and the experience was off the chain. I brought my children in here. They were locked in the entire time.
I think that the story, how the story was told, was beautiful. It was executed so gracefully, so beautifully. I really, really appreciated being able to experience this live.